DJI madman Wang Tao's drone empire is a force to be reckoned with. The technology maniac who believes the world is too stupid has allowed Chinese drones to dominate the market, pushing aside competitors. Some have compared him to Steve Jobs, but Wang Tao is on a different level. His knowledge and drive have propelled his empire to unprecedented heights. With a singular focus on innovation and cutting-edge technology, Wang Tao's drones have become the go-to choice for consumers and businesses alike. His vision for the future of drone technology is unmatched, and he shows no signs of slowing down. As he continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, madman Wang Tao is solidifying his place as a true pioneer in the industry. With his empire expanding rapidly, it's clear that Wang Tao's influence will be felt for years to come. Some people have compared him to Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, but he doesn't think so. Rather, he said, "I admire some of Jobs' ideas, but there is no one in the world that I really admire." He bluntly commented that the world is too stupid, there are too many unreliable people and things, and in the stupid world, there is only Huawei's Ren Zhengfei who can be called smart. Crazy? Yes, Wang Tao is amazingly crazy. He lived in a self-identified ideal world and never compromised, leading DJI to rise from the dirt of dreams with technology and conquering the world with drones. In this video, we get closer together, the madman Wang Tao and his drone empire. Wang Tao, better known as Frank Wang, is a Chinese aerospace engineer and businessman. He is the founder and CEO of the Shenzhen-based technology company DJI, the world's largest manufacturer of commercial drones. As of December 2020, he has a net worth of $4.8 billion. DJI, short for Dajong Innovations, is a Chinese technology company that has become synonymous with drones and aerial photography. The company was founded in 2006 by Frank Wang, a young engineer with a passion for unmanned aerial vehicles. Wang's journey began at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, where he was a student. His fascination with flight and the potential of drone technology led him to start building prototypes in his dorm room. These early efforts laid the foundation for what would become DJI. Wang's vision was to create drones that were not only high quality but also user-friendly and accessible to a broader audience. With a small team and limited resources, he moved to Shenzhen, China's tech hub, to pursue his dream. The initial years were challenging, with high employee turnover and financial struggles. However, Wang's determination and the support of a family friend, Lu Di, who provided $90,000 in funding, helped the company survive its early days. Wang was born in Hangzhou, Zhejiang province. He showed an interest in flight and airborne devices from a young age, but received mediocre grades as a schoolchild. He attended the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology for college, and drew the attention of math professor Li Zexiang following an impressive performance on a class project to build a helicopter flight control system. Li subsequently brought Wang into the school's graduate program. In 2005, Wang participated in ABU Robocon, and his HQST team won third prize among teams competing from across Asia. HQST granted him 18,000 Hong Kong dollars to conduct research and develop a drone. Wang built the first prototypes of DJI's projects in his dorm room, selling the flight control components to universities and Chinese electric companies. He used the proceeds to move to the industrial hub of Shenzhen and hired a small staff in 2006. The company struggled at first, with a high degree of churn among employees that has been attributed to Wang's abrasive personality and perfectionist expectations of his employees. The company sold a modest amount of components during this period, relying as well on financial support from Wang's family friend, Lu Di, who provided $90,000 and managed the company's finances. In 2010, Wang hired a high school friend, Swift C. Jia, to run the company's marketing. DJI began to cater more to drone hobbyists in markets outside of China. In 2011, Wang met the former television game show contestant Colin Gwynn at a trade show, and the two of them would found DJI North America, a subsidiary company focusing on mass-market drone sales. In the same year he defended his MPhil thesis, Control Systems for Autonomous Helicopters. In 2013, DJI released the first model of the Phantom drone, an entry-level drone which was significantly more user-friendly than any other drone on the market at the time. The Phantom was a worldwide commercial success, but this success led to conflict between Gwyn and Wang. Midway through the year, Wang made an offer to buy Gwyn out, which Gwyn refused. By the end of the year, DJI had locked all employees of the North American subsidiary out of their email accounts, and was well on its way to shutting down the subsidiary's operations. Gwyn sued DJI, and the case was settled out of court. In 2015, DJI eclipsed the success of the Phantom with the release of the Phantom 3, whose even greater popularity was in part due to the addition of a built-in live streaming camera. DJI became the largest consumer drone company in the world, driving many of its competitors out of the market over the following years. In 2017, Wang became Asia's youngest tech billionaire. By 2020, DJI held nearly 77% of the US market share for consumer drones, with no other company holding more than 4%. In 2016, Frank Wang was ranked number 96 on the Creators Business Visionaries list by Business Insider for his contribution in kickstarting the consumer drone market with DJI. He was named the first drone billionaire by Forbes. In 2020, Wang became a laureate of the Asian Scientist 100 by the Asian Scientist. Frank Wang's journey from a university student to the CEO of the world's largest drone manufacturer is a testament to his perseverance and innovative spirit. After moving to Shenzhen, Wang hired a small team and began selling flight control components to universities and Chinese electric companies. These early sales provided the necessary funds to keep the company afloat. In 2009, DJI's components enabled a team to successfully pilot a drone around the peak of Mount Everest, showcasing the potential of their technology. This achievement marked a turning point for the company, attracting attention from hobbyists and professionals alike. By 2010, DJI had released its first consumer drone, the Phantom, which revolutionized the market with its ease of use and advanced features. The release of the DJI Phantom in 2013 was a game-changer for the drone industry. The Phantom was the first ready-to-fly drone system that included an internal GPS for stable flights. Its user-friendly design and affordability made it accessible to a wide audience, from hobbyists to professional photographers. The Phantom series quickly became a bestseller and established DJI as a leader in the drone market. In 2016, DJI launched the Mavic Pro, a compact and foldable drone that redefined portability and convenience. The Mavic Pro's innovative design allowed users to carry it easily in a backpack, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Its high-quality camera and advanced flight features made it a favorite among content creators and adventurers, further solidifying DJI's dominance in the market. DJI's drones have played a significant role in the film and entertainment industry. The company's technology has been used in numerous blockbuster movies and TV shows, providing stunning aerial shots that were previously impossible to capture. DJI's drones have become an essential tool for filmmakers, enabling them to achieve breathtaking visuals and creative storytelling. DJI's global expansion began shortly after the success of the Phantom series. The company established offices and authorized dealers in key markets around the world, including the United States, Germany, Japan, and South Korea. Today, DJI operates in over 100 countries, with a strong presence in North America, Europe, and Asia. The company's success can be attributed to its relentless focus on innovation and quality. DJI invests heavily in research and development, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible with drone technology. This commitment to innovation has resulted in a wide range of products that cater to different needs, from consumer drones to professional-grade equipment used in industries such as agriculture, construction, and public safety. DJI's drones are known for their reliability, performance, and ease of use. The company's products have set new standards in the industry, making aerial photography and videography more accessible and affordable. DJI's technology has also been used in various humanitarian efforts, such as disaster relief and search and rescue operations, demonstrating the positive impact of drones on society. As of 2024, DJI is valued at approximately $15 billion, making it the most valuable company in the drone industry. The company's annual sales are estimated to be around $3 billion, with a global workforce of nearly 14,000 employees. DJI's success has made Frank Wang one of the world's wealthiest individuals, with a net worth of over $5 billion. DJI's dominance in the drone market is reflected in its market share, which is estimated to be around 70%. The company's products are widely used by consumers, professionals, and industries worldwide, making DJI a household name in the world of drones. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market demands has been key to its sustained success. DJI's journey from a small startup to a global leader in drone technology is a remarkable story of innovation, perseverance, and vision. Frank Wang's passion for flight and his commitment to making drones accessible to everyone have transformed the industry and changed the way we capture and experience the world from above. With a strong global presence and a relentless focus on innovation, DJI continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, shaping the future of aerial technology. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.